Hello everyone, welcome back to MTC Mustafa Tuition Center. Hello kids.
Hello ma'am.
Okay, let's learn about prime factorization now. Okay? Fine. So this topic has been already done for you many a times before, but my naughty kids forgot and some have some doubts. Okay? So I hope that this class help you to clarify all your doubts. Okay? So prime factorization is an important concept in mathematics that you need to understand and remember it. Okay? So what is prime factorization? This topic you have been studying from class 5 onwards. Yes? Okay. Tell me what is prime factorization. Who will answer? You will tell? Okay, tell me.
The way of expressing a number as a product of its prime factors.
Very good. Please clap for her. Only one child remember. Others all forgot. Okay? So prime factorization is nothing but it is a way of expressing a number as a product of its prime factors. Okay, now you came across one more term here, prime factors. What do you mean by prime factors now? Yes, tell, you know? Tell me, what are prime factors?
Prime factors are set of numbers.
Set of prime numbers. Okay, prime factors are nothing but set of prime numbers. Okay, which when multiplied together will give you the original number. Okay, understood? So that means, in other words, we can say that prime factors divide the number completely. They divide the number completely. Manish, you are listening? Okay, so prime factors, they divide the number completely. Okay, and prime factors, okay, you understood what is prime factors. Then you came across one more term in prime factor definition. That is prime number. What are prime numbers now?
Prime numbers that have only
Prime numbers, what are prime numbers?
numbers that have only two factor, one and the number itself.
Very good. Prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors. One and the number itself. One and the number itself. Can you give me some examples of prime numbers? Who will give? Tell me.
2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc.
Okay. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. All these are what? Prime numbers, etc. Okay. So, you understood now what is prime factorization? Now there are two methods in which we can do prime factorization. Okay, give me that marker. Okay, there are two methods. One is division method. Okay, one is division method.
Factor tree method.
Okay, and the other one is factor tree method. Okay, factor tree method. Did you understand, kids? These are the two methods in which you can do prime factorization. Okay, so I'll explain you both now. Understood? Okay, so first one, can you rub this please? Okay, thank you. So first one we'll do division method. Now for example, you take this number 8840. You have to find the prime factorization of this number. Okay, how you will do now? First we are doing division method now. Okay, so 8840. This is division method. You're understanding, kids? Okay, so you have to start dividing. What are the steps to do it by division method? You have to start dividing the given number with the least prime number. Okay, which is the smallest prime number? 2. Very good. Okay, you have to start it with the least prime number and keep on dividing till the quotient is equal to 1. Because 1 you cannot factorize it more, right? Further, 1 you cannot factorize further. So till you get the quotient equal to 1, you have to keep factorizing it. Okay, but only using prime numbers, not with any other numbers. That means prime factorization is applicable only for composite numbers, because composite numbers have more than 2 factors. You cannot do prime factorization on prime numbers. You can do prime factorization only on composite numbers. Did you understand, kids? Okay, now how you will do it? Which is the smallest prime number? 2. Okay, so 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, then 2 zeros are 0. Okay, then again which number you can take? You can take 2. You have to select a number with which you can divide the number completely. Okay, there should not be any reminder. Okay, so again 2 you can take. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 zeros are 0. Okay, again which number you can take? 2 you can take again. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. You cannot bring 2 numbers at a time down, right? So 2 5s are 10. Okay, then next, if you take 2 once again, 5 will not come in 2 table, so you cannot take. Then 3 you can take. No, in 3 table also you will not be able to. Then 5 we can take. Okay, so 5 table. 5 2s are 10. Then 10 here. 5 2s are 10 again, and 5 1s are 5. You should be able to divide that number completely. Okay, did you understand? Fine. Manish, you are concentrating. Okay. Then next, which table you can take?
13, 17.
7. It will not come.
13.
Then which table? 11 also it won't. 13 table we can take. Okay. So 13. 1s are 13. Then 13. 7s are. Is it okay? 13 7s are?
Not 13, 17 the 2.
Okay. Correct, right? Okay. Then 17 is a
17.
prime number. You cannot factorize it more. Okay. So that means we end here. We
17 and the 17.
end here. 17 1 17. Okay. We end here. Fine. We cannot factorize it more, right? We end here. Okay. So what are the factors, prime factors we got? 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 13 into 17. This is the prime factorization. Now because 2 is multiplying 3 times itself, we will write it in exponential form. 2 raised to the power of 3 into 5 into 13 into 17. So this is the prime factorization of the number 8840. Did you understand, kids? Okay. So when you multiply all this number together, you will get the original number. Understood? This is what is prime factorization. It is a way of expressing a number as a product of its prime factors. These are the prime factors. And all of them are prime numbers. Prime factors are what? Set of prime numbers, which when multiplied together will give you the original number. Did you understand, kid? So when you multiply all these prime factors together, you will get the original number. Okay. Now same number, if we start solving it using factor tree method. Okay. Can you rub this better? We'll do it factor tree method. Same number. Okay. Same number we'll do by factor tree method now. What is factor tree method? In factor tree method, you have to consider the given number as a root. The given number as a root, and you have to form the pair of branches. You have to form what? Pair of branches. Okay, kids? Now see. 8840. This is the root. Okay, kids? Now start forming branches. Okay? So you can take, again the same thing. You have to start with the least prime number. Always. Which one you will start with? 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So 4,420 2 times is equal to 8,840. Okay. So 2 is a prime factor. Yes, prime number, sorry. 2 is a prime number. So we cannot factorize it further. So you circle it. We end here. We don't have to do anything to this now. Don't touch it. Finish. It's a prime factor, right? Prime number, right? So circle it. Finish. It closes here. This is a composite number. So composite number, you have to factorize it further. Okay, now we'll factorize this. Factorize again with 2. 2 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Okay. So 2 times 2,210 is equal to 4,420. So 2 is a prime number. Yes, we end it here. This is closing. But this is composite number. So we can factorize it further. Okay, factorize it again. With what you will take? 2 again? Okay. 2 1s are? 2 5s are 10. Okay. So 2 is again prime number. So it ends here. It cannot be factorized further. Okay. So that's why we are circling it. Why we are circling it? Because the factorization of this number ends here. Okay. Closer. No more. This is a composite number. Composite number we can further factorize it. So now factorize it further. 5 we can take. Yes. 5 into?
5 2s are 5 2s are 5 1s. 5 1s are 5 1s are
Okay. Done? Then 5 is a
prime number.
prime number. So the factorization ends here. Factorization is ending, so we are circling it. Now whereas this number, we can factorize it further because it's a
Composite number.
yeah. So factorize it further with what number? 13
13
into
17.
13 and 17 are prime numbers. So it ends here. Okay. So what are the prime numbers that we got? 2, 2, 2, 5, 13, 17. Okay. Now write it. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 13 into 70. Got? These are. Now because 2 is multiplying 3 times itself, we write it in exponential form. 2 raised to the power of 3 into 5 into 13 into 70. Did you understand, kid? So this is the prime factorization of 8840 using factor tree method. This is factor tree method. Did you get, kid? You understood? You'll solve it on the board now. Did you understand, kid, what I said? Yes? So you understood what is prime factorization? Let us brush up. Let us brush up. Let me see how well you understood. Don't hide your faces. Answer to me. Okay? So what is prime factorization? Prime factorization is nothing but it is a way of expressing. It is a process or it's a way of expressing a number as a product of its prime factors. What are prime factors? Prime factors are set of prime numbers. Prime factors are set of prime numbers, which when multiplied together will give you the original number. See, these all are prime factors. Prime factors of this. Okay, so these are what? Set of prime numbers only, right? When we multiply all this together, what you will get? You will get the original number. Did you understand, kid? Please understand and learn. Without understanding, learning is very difficult. Did you understand, kid? Okay. Then what are prime numbers? Numbers which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. You understood? Manish, tell me why you are calling 2 as a prime number? Where all you will get 2, Manish? In 2 table, 1 table. Yes? 1 2s are 2 and 2 1s are 2. So only 2 factors. Any other table you will get 2? No, right? So it has only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. So such numbers are called what? Prime numbers. And the numbers which have more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Did you understand, kid? Okay. So what are the 2 methods by which we can find prime factorization? Division method, factor tree method. You understood division method and factor tree method? Okay. I will give you one number. Who wants to take the courage and initiation of solving it on the board? I'll guide you. Who want to do it on the board? I'll give you one number. You will do factor tree method. Bhagya, you will do it by division method. Okay, let's do. So I have given a number 9125 on the board. Okay, so as Bhagya want to take an initiation of doing it. Yes, Bhagya? Okay, chalo, all the best. Do it. Division method. I want you to do the prime factorization using division method. Come on, start. 9125. Okay. Yeah. So which number you are starting with? 5. Because 2 you cannot take it. Last is 5, right? So you cannot, it will not, 2 will not divide this number completely. That's why you are starting with 5. Come on, do it. 5. 5. 1s are 5. Yes. Then 4 will remain there. Then 41 it will be. So 5. Next. 5 8s are 40. Very good. Then 1 will go that side. Then again 5 2s are 10. Yes. Then 2 will go that side. 5 5s are 25. Good. Then next. Again last is 5. So again you can take 5. Yes. Again you can take 5. Yes. 5 3s are 15. Try to take the nearest number. Then 3 will remain and it will go to the other one. Yes. 30. So which one you can take? 5. 6 you can take. Yes. 5 6 are 30 you can take. Then 2 will go that side. 25. 5 5s are 25. Very good. Next, which number you can take again? Again you can take 5. Yes. Start. Start. Then take the nearest number. Which is the nearest number that you can take in 5 table? 5 7s are?
35.
Yes. 1 will go that side. Then? Yes. So 73 is a prime number, right? Okay. So you stop there. When you get the prime number, you stop there. Okay. Because even if you take, you will not get more numbers then. Fine. Okay. So what are the prime factors you got? Write it. The prime factorization is? The prime factorization of 9125 is equal to, you are able to understand, kids, how it is taken? Okay. So you have to check in each table. You have to select such a number which will divide the given number completely. Okay. Always remember, prime number will divide the number completely. Okay. Yes. So 5 into 5 into 5 into 70 3. So 5 is repeating 3 times itself. So you will write 5 raised to the power of 3 into 73. Okay, this is exponential form, kids. Okay, you understood? Very good. Please clap for her. She tried. Good, well tried. Okay, next, the same number, I want you to do it using factor tree method. Who wants to do it factor tree method? You will do it? Okay, come on, rub it and do it using factor tree method. The same number, factor tree method. Okay, in factor tree method, what you will do, kids? The given number, you will consider it as a root. Okay, and you have to form the pair of branches. Okay, so once you get the prime number, you will stop there. Closure. Composite number, you will factorize it further. Understood, kids? Understanding or not? Say yes. Yes. And meanwhile, all those who are watching, please like, share and subscribe our channel MTC Mustafa Tuition Center and motivate our kids. Okay? Yeah. Come on. 9125. So with which table first? 5 table. Come on, do it, Manohar. 5 into, write here into. If you don't write also, no problem. You can write your wish. If you don't write also, no problem. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. So 4 will remain here. 4 will remain 41. Okay? Okay, come on, continue. Okay. 5 ones are 5 you have done. 4 remaining. Then 5 8s are. Yes, good. 5 8s are 40. Okay. Then 40, then 1 will remain. This 1 will come here. Yes. Then which one? 5? Tell. 5 2s are 10. Yes. Okay. Then 2 will remain. 2 will come this side. It will become 25. Okay. So 25 where you are getting in 5 table? 5 5s are 25. Write 5 there. Very good. Okay. So 2 times 1825 is equal to 9125. Okay. So 5 is a prime number or not? It's a prime number. So the factorization ends here. It ends here. You cannot factorize it further. Yes or no? So circle it. Circle it. Good. Now this is a composite number. This you can factorize it further. Come on. Form the factors again. Don't put so long this thing. It will not be sufficient. Come on. Do it. Again you can take 5. Yes. 5 3.
53. 5 3 is 50.
Yes. Then 3 will remain. It will become 32. So 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Right here. 5 6. No, down you write 6. 5 6 are 30. Then 5 5s are 25. Yes. Okay. So 5 is a prime number. So it closes there. Yes. Then 365 is a composite number. You can factorize it further. Continue the factorization there. Okay. Then again which table you can take? Again you can take 5 table. Yeah. Come on. 5 7s are. 5 7s are what? 35. Yes. So 1 will remain. It will become 15. 5 3s are 15. 3. 5 3s are 15. Okay. Done. So 5 is a prime number or not? Circle. 73 is a prime number or not? Yes. It is a prime number. Okay. So circle it. So your factorization ends here. Finish. Your factorization ends. Now write all the prime factors. Write down all the prime factors. 5 into 5. Little faster, dear. 5 into 73. Okay. So now because 5 is multiplying itself 3 times, you can write it in exponential form. 5 raised to the power of 3 into 73. Into 73. Good. At least you tried. Good. Okay. Please clap for him. At least he tried, right? Okay. So you understood, kids? Okay. So these are the prime factors which when multiplied together will give you the original number. Easy, right, kids? Others, anybody else wants to try other numbers? Easy, right? Don't hide. Okay. Understood, but do you understand the concept? Okay, fine. So all those who are watching, if this video has helped you in understanding prime factorization, prime factors, prime numbers and the 2 methods to solve prime factorization, then please do like, share and subscribe our channel MTC Mustafa Tuition Center. And thank you so much for watching. Why are you staring so seriously, kids? Say hi and bye. 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 Okay.